Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this quick tutorial how to sign in and access your account for the hotel lock system. So on screen we have the computer, the card reader where we can make the fobs and cards to access the doors for your hotels, your rooms. We also have a USB that has the software in there, so once we connect to the computer we can then open up the application, type in the password, and then start programming some fob keys and cards. So computer is open, we have the card reader beside the computer connected via USB. We also have another USB as reiterated before. Now we can connect. So now we know we are connected. We can open up the application on screen. And now we should see a pop-up window on screen that tells us to type in the credentials, operator, the password. I'll type that in now, however you will not see this. Log in, and we are now into the system connected by TLJ. So that's how you sign into the account, access your account, the software on the computer with a computer, card reader, USB. It's all encrypted, very secure. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for now.